Secretary General, papers to be laid on the table. Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table a statement in English and Hindi showing the bills passed by the Houses of Parliament during the 251st session of the Rajya Sabha and assented to by the President.
Sri V. Muralidharan. Minister.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 2 in today's list of business. It's regarding the 11 ordinances that has been issued.
Statement regarding ordinances. Dr. Harshavardhan. They, not there.
I rise to lay on the table an explanatory statement, Hindi and English versions showing reasons for immediate legislation by promulgation of the Epidemic Diseases Amendment Ordinance 2020, number 5 of 2020.
Thank you. Sri Nityananda Roy.
श्री अमित शाह जी की ओर से आज की कार्यावली में क्रम संख्या 2 पर उनके नाम के सम्मुख उल्लिखित मंत्रियों के संबलमों और भत्तों से संबंधित संशोधन अध्यादेश 2020 द्वारा तत्काल विधान बनाए जाने की आवश्यकता की परिस्थितियों का वर्णन करने वाला एक विवरण अंग्रेजी तथा हिंदी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Dr. Harshavardhan.
Respected sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Shripad Nayak, I rise to lay on the table an explanatory statement, Hindi and English versions showing reasons for immediate legislation by promulgation of the Homeopathic Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2020, number 6 of 2020.
बैठ के बोलिए, आवाज अच्छा ठीक तरह से आएगा. और डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन अगेन.
Respected sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Shripad Nayak, I rise to lay on the table an explanatory statement, Hindi and English versions showing reasons for immediate legislation by promulgation of the Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2020, number 7 of 2020.
Supplementary demands for grants 2020-21. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
The table a statement in Hindi and English showing the supplementary demands for grants 2020-2021.
Whenever a name is called, I request honorable ministers or members to raise their hand so that it will be visible. And while speaking, they also say, I am so and so that it goes on record and then others will be. Honorable members, I have to inform the members that the panel of vice chairman has been reconstituted with effect 24th of July 2020 with the following members: Sri Bhuvaneswar Kalita, Srimati Vandana Chavan. No, she came. She must be in the other house. Lok Sabha. Right, ma.
Thank you, sir.
Good. She met me, that's why I remember. श्री सुखेन शेखर राय, उन्होंने एक पत्र लिखा मुझे. श्री सुरेंद्र सिंह नागर. सुरेंद्र सिंह नागर. लोकसभा, प्लीज.
लोकसभा.
डॉक्टर एल हनुमंतैया. हनुमंतैया जी भी आए थे. लोकसभा.
Yes, sir, I am here.
थोड़ा प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. Okay, Hनुमंतैया जी. Right. Dr. Sasmit Patra. Sasmit Patra.
Sir, Lok Sabha, sir.
Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha in Lok Sabha. Right. Thank you. I compliment all these members. This advantage for this, some of the members is, without getting elected to Lok Sabha, they are sitting in Lok Sabha. Some of the Lok Sabha members, without getting elected to the upper house, they are sitting in the upper house. So this is the... but for some bad reasons, I hope that situation will not arise again, like COVID and this thing. Yes, we should go in there by data. It should be, the media of course will take note of that. वो लीव के लिए अप्लाई किया फ्रॉम मेंबर्स और ये तो कॉल होना चाहिए ना. Honorable members, I have to inform members that a letter has been received from Sri Sukhendu Sekhar Rai, member stating due to prevailing COVID-19 situation in the country and guidelines issued, he will not be able to attend the entire sitting of the current session of the House. He has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence from 14th September to 1st October, that is till the conclusion of the current 252nd session. Does he have the permission of the House remaining absent from 14th to 1st October 2020 of the current session of Rajya Sabha? The permission remain absent is granted. I have also to inform the members that a letter has been received from Subhashish Chakravarti, member stating that on health grounds he is unable to attend the entire sittings of the current session of the Rajya Sabha. He has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence from 14th to 1st October, 14th September to 1st October for the current 252nd session of Rajya Sabha. Does he have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 14th to 1st of October? Permission to remain absent is granted. और भी है, और भी है, तो जो भी है कल कर सकते. I have to inform members that the Business Advisory Committee in its meeting held on 13th September has allocated time for legislative and other business as follows. Statute resolution moved by K.K. Ragesh and Elmaram Karim and Vinay Viswam about the taxation and other laws. 2 hours to be discussed together. Consider passing of taxation and other laws. Consideration passing of the following bills: salary allowance and pension of members of parliament to replace an ordinance, and also the other one connected. They both 1 hour each. Then statute resolution seeking disapproval of the epidemic disease amendment ordinance number 5 of the 2020 promulgated by the President on 22nd April, admitted in the name of Sri Vinay Viswam. Consideration passing of the epidemic disease amendment bill to replace ordinance, both together 2 hours. Statute resolution seeking disapproval of the Homeopathy Central Council amendment ordinance number 6 of the 2020 promulgated by the President on 24th April, admitted in the names of Sri Elmaram Karim and Sri Vinay Viswam. Consideration and passing of the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill 2020 to replace ordinance. Statutory resolution seeking the disapproval of the Indian Medicine Central Amendment, Indian Medical Central Council by the President on 24th, admitted in the names of K.K. Ragesh, Elmaram Karim and Vinay Viswam. Consideration passing of the Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Bill to replace an ordinance, together 2 hours. Statute resolution seeking disapproval of the Essential Commodities Amendment Ordinance 2020, number 8 of 20, promulgated by the President on 5th June, admitted in the names of Sri K.K. Ragesh, Sri Elmaram Karim, Sri Vinay Viswam and Sri M.V. Shreyams Kumar. Consideration passing of the Essential Commodities Amendment Bill 2020 to replace an ordinance, 3 hours to be discussed together. Statute resolution seeking disapproval of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, promulgated by the President, admitted in the names of K.K. Ragesh, Elmaram Karim and Sri Vinay Viswam, 2 hours, along with the bill to replace ordinance together. Statute resolution seeking disapproval of the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Felicitation Ordinance, promulgated by the President on 5th June, admitted in the name of K.K. Ragesh, Elmaram Karim, Vinay Viswam and M.V. Shreyams Kumar. Consideration passing of Farmers Produce and Trade and Commerce to replace ordinance. Statute resolution seeking disapproval of the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance of Farm Ordinance. Also again in the name of K.K. Ragesh, Elmaram Karim, Sri Vinay Viswam and M.V. Shreyams Kumar. Consideration passing of the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement, Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill to replace ordinance. 4 hours to be discussed together. Statute resolution seeking disapproval of the Banking Regulation Amendment Ordinance 2020, promulgated by the President, admitted in the names of K.K. Ragesh, Elmaram Karim and Vinay Viswam. Consideration passing of the Banking Regulation Amendment Bill to replace ordinance. 3 hours to be discussed together. Consideration passing of the following bills: the Pesticides Management Bill 2020, 2 hours. The National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management Bill 2019, 1 hour. Consideration passing of the following bills as they are passed by the Lok Sabha. National Forensic Science University Bill 2020, 1 hour. Rashtriya Raksha University Bill 20, 1 hour. Major Ports Authorities Bill 2020, 2 hours. The Companies Amendment Bill 2020, 2 hours. Consideration and passing of the following bills after introduction and consideration passed by Lok Sabha. The Factoring Regulation Amendment Bill 2020. Factoring, 2 hours. The Assisted Reproductive Technology Regulation Bill 2020, 2 hours. Consideration written of the appropriation bill relating to following demands after they are passed by Lok Sabha. Supplementary demands for grants 20 and 21. Demands for excess grants 16, 17, 2 hours to be discussed together. That is what has been approved by the Business Advisory Committee. Now, Honorable Member.